Good morning. Today we're going to learn how to do this bell applique. Hope you enjoy the video, so stay tuned and we'll get started. Alright, as usual, grab yourself a cup of coffee and we will go ahead and start. Okay, we'll just use any basic yarn, scrap yarn, no matter what kind it is. Right now I'm using Red Heart in color red, and I'm using a 3.0 millimeter hook. Okay, we'll do a simple chain 13. Alright, after we get that basic chain 13, we'll go in that second chain from the hook and we'll do a single crochet. We'll also do a single crochet in the remaining of the chains. So we should have a total of 12 single crochets going across this row. Okay, once we get done with the single crochets on this row, we will then go ahead and do a chain 1. Hopefully I'm not going a little bit too fast for what you're doing. As you can see, I'm not done this row yet, but I'm just trying to get ahead a little bit in case for those that are more advanced. Now when you do things tighter, like you do, like how I do, is you can see how it curls up. That's more of a nuisance than anything else, but you know, you just deal with it. Just so you know you're not alone. Okay, we get that last single crochet in there. We'll go ahead and do that chain 1. After we do that chain 1, we'll then go ahead and do a slip stitch in the first 2 stitches. We will then proceed and do a total of, let me see here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that is correct. We'll go ahead and do a single crochet going along the next 8 stitches, and we'll leave the last 2 undone. Okay, I'll see you when we get done at the end of this row. Alright, just so you know, this right here, this is cotton yarn, so this will come out a little bit bigger, just a slight bigger, because as you know, the cotton yarn is a different weight. Go ahead and do a chain 1. We'll turn our work. We will then go ahead and do a single crochet in each of the stitches. And at the end of this row, we'll go ahead and do a chain 1. We will then turn our work. Okay, I'm almost done at the end of this row here. Okay, I hope you really enjoy doing this. If so, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. And if you don't mind, subscribe to my channel. I would greatly appreciate it. Here's our chain 1. We're turning our work. Go ahead and do a single crochet in each of the stitches, just like the previous row. Okay, feel free to write a comment down below on how your day is going. I'd greatly appreciate it. Any interaction will do a lot of good. So I love making new friends. Here's that chain 1. We'll go ahead and do another row of single crochet in each of the stitches. Okay, and at the end, just like how the previous row, we would do that chain 1 at the end. Okay, last 2 stitches, and then there you have it. We'll go ahead and do that chain 1. We'll turn our work. Okay, we'll now do our decrease. Go ahead and do our single crochet decrease by inserting your hook, pull up a loop, and go into the next stitch, pull up a loop again, then yarn over, pull through all 3 loops, single crochet decrease. Okay, do a single crochet in the next few stitches, and in the last 2 stitches we will do that single crochet decrease again. As you can see here, it's fairly simple. Okay, our last 2 stitches, we're going to do that single crochet decrease. We'll then do that chain 1, just like each of the rows. Okay, we'll go ahead and do that single crochet decrease again by going in the first, pulling up a loop, going into the next, pulling up a loop. 3 loops are on the hook, yarn over, pull through all 3 loops. Single crochet in the next few stitches, and then of course in the last 2 stitches we will do the single crochet decrease. Okay, we're at the last 2. Pull up a loop, next stitch, pull up a loop, yarn over, all through 3 stitches. Chain 1. Turn our work. We'll go ahead and do that decrease again. Pull up a loop, go in the next stitch, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through all 3 loops. Single crochet in the next stitch. Okay, last 2 we're going to do the single crochet decrease. Alright, go ahead and do that chain 1, turn our work. We will go ahead and do a single crochet decrease in the first 2 stitches, and then in that last stitch we'll do a single crochet. Chain 1. Okay, we'll do that single crochet decrease. Please excuse the wind. We will then do a slip stitch. Now we'll go ahead and we'll turn our work and we'll go all along the sides and do a single crochet. Just simply do a single crochet. There's no certain count or anything like that. This kind of gives it a little final touch. Makes it a little neater. Okay, I will see you once I get to the end of this round, or row, whichever. Okay, before I forget to tell you, down here at these corners, make sure you to do 2 single crochets in the corners. It gives it a little extra oomph, if you want to say. It looks a little bit neater. Okay, again, I'll see you at the end of the row. Alright, there you have it. A nice crocheted bell. I thought about adding like a little, whatever you call the little thing that hangs down below to make it simulate like an actual bell. But I said, you know what, I think I'm just going to leave it just like it is, because it looked kind of silly. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and I will see you next time. Alright, have a good day.